Hello students, this is your English lesson. Students, today we are going to read unit number 22, A Child's Thought from Oxford Reading Circle 3. Students, this is a poem about a child's thought written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Students, in his poem A Child's Thought, Robert Louis Stevenson captures the meditation of a 7-year child as he drifts off to his sleepy dreams. The poem contrasts the nightmare, imaginative world of a child with his daytime prosaic world. In the beginning of the poem, when the child goes to bed, he imagines castles, dragons, magic fruits, and gallant horsemen. In the second stanza, the child wakes up. The objects he had imagined as enchanted and part of fairyland are now ordinary and everyday objects. For example, the castle has become a chair, and the horseman has become a pair of boots. The blue streams have become a bath and a watering can. By light of day, he can no longer return to his imagined world. Now, read the poem together. At 7, when I go to bed, I find such pictures in my head. Castles with dragons prowling round, gardens where magic fruits are found, fair ladies prisoned in a tower, or lost in an enchanted bower, while gallant horsemen ride by streams that border all this land of dreams. I find so clearly in my head at 7 when I go to bed. At 7 when I wake again, the magic land I seek in vain. A chair stands where the castle frowned, the carpet hides the garden ground. No fairies trip across the floor. Boots and not horsemen flank the door. And where the blue streams rippling ran is now a bath and water can. I seek the magic land in vain at 7 when I wake again. Exercises A questions. 1. What does the child imagine at bedtime? Answer. The child dreams of castles and dragons, magic fruits and gardens, fair ladies and gallant men. 2. What does the child find in the morning? Answer. In the morning, the child finds his magic land gone. He finds a chair in place of the castle, a bath, and a watering can instead of the stream. 3. What do these things become in the child's thoughts? A. The chair, boots, the stream, the carpet. Answer. A. Castle. B. Horseman. C. Bath and watering can. D. Garden ground. 4. Do all the lines in the poem rhyme? Answer. The lines rhyme in pairs, e.g., bed, head, round, found, tower, war. 5. The child dreamt about a fantasy land filled with dragons and castles. What would your fantasy land be like? Describe in a few sentences using suitable describing words. Answer. My fantasy land would be like a 7-year-old boy. I would dream about a wonderful land where a beautiful castle would be built. I would rule the whole empire powerfully. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poem, then answer the questions. 1. I find such pictures in my head. A. When does the poet find such pictures? Answer. At 7 when he goes to bed while sleeping. B. What are these pictures? Answer. fancies regarding castles, dragons, magic fruits, fair ladies, knights, fairy tales, etc. 2. Is now a bath and water can. A. What did these take the place of in the dream? Answer. Blue streams. B. What other information does the poet give about these when they were a part of the dream? Answer. That the streams bordered the land of dreams and that brave horsemen rode beside them. Words and meaning. Choose prefixes from the box to make new words from those in the list. A. Confirm. B. Misspell. C. Imprison. D. Unfair. E. Forefather. F. Enchant. G. Prefix. H. Disappear. How many words can you make from the letters in the word horseman? E.g. or, arm, mean, ram, she. Similarly, we can make see, ears, rose, more, horse, man, men, marsh, near, mash, mom, name, seem, sure. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.